Hi, today I'm going to show you how to calibrate any fingerprint sensor after you replace the screen of the Pixel phone. So you go to Google search and Google Pixel Repair Google, and then you'll find a site, and then you click on it. Then you'll go to a different screen and say welcome to Google Pixel Update and Software Repair. You go down and you see install fingerprint calibration software. Click on it, and then you go into a different screen and say connect your Pixel. And don't connect yet, and follow the 3-step. First, you turn off your device. Second, you enter the fast boot mode and follow the direction there on hitting those buttons, and eventually it will set your phone to the fast boot mode. And then on number 3, you connect your device, and that's exactly this 3-step. Follow it exactly to the T, okay? And here's the phone I have. It's already off, and I hit the power button, nothing. Alright, so double check again and nothing. So next step is I push power and volume down button at the same time. Keep holding it until your screen turn on with the fast boot mode. Here we go. Now I'm ready to connect my Pixel phone to the computer. Now the phone is connected to the computer. I just plug it in. Click on the connect device button. And you change to a different screen and new window pop up. And you will see the Pixel phone you have. I have a Pixel 7 Pro. Click on that and then click on the connect button. Then you go to a different screen. On that screen at the bottom, click on the install software button. Then change to a different screen, and it moves so fast and it will pop to a different screen and say install successful. And your phone will turn off and turn back on, and then will show the Google logo, and then go to your home screen. Now you successfully calibrate your fingerprint sensor after you replace your broken screen. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button. See you later. Thank you.